the throttle back to stop this aircraft going supersonic. Wow. And there you saw the afterburner just cutting out right at the end of the flight line there. Fabulous flying here. Going back now here, turning back round, another 9G turn. But he's got lots of assistance in the cockpits, not just the old G pads they used to wear, but G socks, G chest, G manoeuvres too, and all helping him stay alive, alert, and indeed capable of handling this aircraft in quite magnificent. Yes, look, he's pushing it up, coming over in the front now, back towards you. There.
We shouldn't forget in this of all years, George, that it's the Typhoon that now handles not just the air defence of UK airspace, but that of the Falkland Islands. Very good.
The 30th anniversary year. Many veterans on parade around and across the country. The Dream of Flight Path have already taken place this year.